Welcome to Travel Mirror. There would be some background noise since I shoot it from home, so kindly excuse with me. Hello guys, this is Sailesh. Welcome back to Travel Mirror. So we are here with one more unboxing video. This time we are unboxing a tripod. It's a height adjustable tripod, Digitech. The model is DTR 550 LW. It would cost around 1,750 rupees in Amazon. We ordered in last week and got delivered in 2 days. So kudos to Amazon for that. It was pretty much a standard delivery. It came up with a huge package, but we just took it out those boxes. It's a wastage of time. So we'll quickly jump into the product review. So we'll open the product. It came with the nice package. This is the cover actually, which you can carry. It's a portable device, as I said. So it's pretty much good to have a case. So this is a good case which you can actually come up with a strap, so you can आराम से आप shoulder पे डाल सकते हो while you're traveling in bike or you're walking along with this. So it's pretty much easily carryable case actually. So let's open it and it come up with yes. So this is the product. So let's nice and easy remove the plastic. Okay. So this is a metallic black color. It's a beautiful color actually. So since it's in black color, you have to be a little bit careful while using it. It's easy to get scratches on it, and it's going to be visible to you once you get a scratch on it. So be careful while using it. So this is the tripod. So as you can see, this is the minimal length of it. So as soon as you open it, this is the length which you're going to get it. So it's a foldable one, easy foldable one. So as you can see, now it's folded down. So if you put it down, so this is the camera mount area. So it's like a professional camera mount where you can easily adjust with the handle actually in any direction pretty much possible. 365 degrees you can adjust. And weight balancing meter is over here, as you can see. So pretty much easily you can measure the weight, the balancing actually, whether the camera is in proper balance or not. So we'll quickly go ahead and try to see how much height you can adjust. There are clips over here. So each legs has two clips over here. So you have to open the clips one by one. So we are going to open the bottom clips first, so that we can actually expand the bottom leg. So let's go ahead and see. As you can see, one by one you can actually pull this off. It's pretty much easily, you can pull it out. So yes, so this is the bottom height adjustment mount. So once you actually pull this off, then you can lock it here, so that once you put it down, it would not actually push back inside to the same loop actually. So this is the secondary height actually. This is the primary one which we already showed to you. So this is the secondary height level, and there's one more level you can adjust actually. So I'm going to open the second layer clip over here. So this is the second layer clip. So you can open it and then push it further. Oh, it's very lengthy, guys. So it's almost 5'5". I'm 5'7" actually. So let's lock these clips again, and I'm going to stand up and see. So you can pretty much see the height. So here it is. So this is how we are going to. So it's pretty much a professional use actually. You can put the camera, you can see what you're shooting, and you can set the angles in pretty much 365 degrees or 360 degrees. and 180 degree, whichever angle you want to, and there is a weight balancer here, so you can बहुत आराम से आप देख सकते हो कि कैमरा balanced है कि नहीं, so which is pretty much good. And there is a handling area here. There is a handle over here, so if you want to move it along with the camera, it's not so easy to, not easy to carry like this, so you can carry like this. And also if you are attaching any mic, okay, so you can attach the mic mount over here. You can put a mount here and you can attach it. So pretty much it's a professional one. We haven't used it, so we thought of just showing to you as an unboxing video. So we're going to use it more often from now onwards. So this is pretty much, and along with this there are two more products which you need to buy if you are going to use a mobile device as a shooting camera. So you need to have a mobile holder like this. Okay, this is a mobile holder. So it's an adjustable spring action holder. There is a screw area here, so you can mount it over here. Okay, once you mount it over here, you can then put the camera over here. So just to show you what the product is all about, how much length you can actually pull this off, and what is the touch and feel of it. This is the name which is embedded on the screen. So, but this is a black color, as I already told you, so you need to be a bit careful while using it. You can unclip this, okay, you can unclip this while folding in. So you can unclip this and you can actually try to see like this. So you can unclip this and then lock it. Do not forget to lock this once you try to expand the legs. Do not try to keep it open, because once you put it in the ground, if you kept it open, it will fold in. So you have to lock this every time when you pull this in and pull this out. So that's how you're going to maintain the quality of this product. So keep in mind, it's a very productive stuff if you're becoming a blogger or a blogger. So you want to shoot a lot of videos, you want to put your camera in different angles and all this stuff. It's a beautiful product actually. Not that much pricey also, and this looks and feel is completely professional. Okay, so once you expand the primary length, that is, there are two level which you can actually expand, which I show in the video. So first level we already expanded, so this is the first level. So all three legs has been expanded now. So if you don't want to expand the complete level but still want to adjust a bit more, so you have a lever over here. As you can see, you can actually rotate the lever and it comes like this. Is the reason I said this is a professional sort of tripod device. So you can adjust the header, just the camera header. So this is how you can shoot the video for unboxing videos, or if you want to shoot it in some other videos. Just want to expand but you don't want to push all the way up, so you can use this lever. So this is a pretty easy rotatable lever. So as you can see, it's expanded up to here. Still you can expand further. So I'm just showing to this. So you can put it back, so it will automatically come down. So this is one more beautiful feature which you can use it while using the Digitech. So the lever one which I've already showed to you. So once you actually expand this, and once you actually try to pull this, you have this clamp area here and you have a lever. So just imagine that you want to pull up to this level, okay, but you want to lock it, okay, ensure that it's not going to move. So there is a lever over here. There is actually a screw over here actually. It's a pretty much a rotating screw which you can adjust over here. It's a sort of a lever actually. So you can either you can actually release it and relax it actually, or you want to lock it on this level, you can lock it, so it will not move. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. The handle I've already showed you. So if you want to move this along with the camera, this is a pretty much a holdable handle. So then you can expand it back. So this is pretty much of it. So this is the reason I said it's a professional one, very useful. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it from Amazon. It's $1,750. So that's all. So I believe this is a wonderful, piece of information and a wonderful device which we have in hand. So we are going to use maximum out of this, and we're going to shoot some great videos, and we'll let you know in short. Okay. So it's a nice one. So this is all about today's unpacking video. So there are pretty more videos are coming up. We are gonna head out now for some outside shooting and all. So those videos are gonna come up. So we would request you to subscribe, put your comments, and provide some suggestions since we are new to YouTube. So we welcome all the suggestions which you have, and also comment, like, subscribe. There are other videos, Osmo Mobile 3, which I put across. A lot of people have watched the video, but very less have subscribed it. So that's a story for pretty much all of us, because we in a day we watch hundreds of videos, so we would not be subscribing to all. But in order to support a channel to see more videos and more contents, it's good to subscribe and support. पैसे की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है उसमें, तो आराम से आप लोग कर सकते हो. So we would request you to subscribe, put the comments and like button, and press the bell icon, so more videos are yet to come up. A lot of traveling videos we are going to upload soon, so please support us. So thank you for watching, and this is Sailesh signing off. We'll see you soon.